What's up, guys? Not so long ago we tested a 2.1 channel soundbar from Ultimea. You can watch the video about it by the link in description. Now I'm interested in checking out the 5.1 channel soundbar from the same company. Please meet the Ultimea Aura A30. It comes with a subwoofer, 2 surround speakers, and the soundbar itself. The peak power of this sound system is 250 watts. The soundbar supports Ultimea BassMX and Ultimea SurroundX technologies. You can also use the mobile app with equalizer settings and sound presets. By the way, I think you already understood, but just in case, I will say that this is a wireless Bluetooth 5.3 soundbar. Okay, let's get to the full review of the Ultimea Aura A30 soundbar. As usual, we start with unboxing, because I think you are interested to know what you get in the kit. To be honest, I expected the box to be even bigger, but it is really heavy. On the side of the box we can see the smart app functions. Once opening the box, we immediately see the user manual and the installation instructions. I will try to place the sound system the same way at my place. As you can see, everything is very well and securely packed in the box. Let's take it all out of the box. So we have a soundbar and a subwoofer. Then there is another box with 2 speakers, as well as remote control, power adapter, digital optical cable, surround cable, another power adapter, wall bracket, and mounting screws. Okay, we will get into how to connect and install all of this a little later, but first let's take a closer look at the soundbar, subwoofer and speakers. So the biggest thing here is a subwoofer. Its dimensions are 220 by 195 by 140 mm. The weight is about 1800 grams. However, in the case of a subwoofer, the bigger it is, the better. In addition, it is actually hidden somewhere behind the TV and is not visible at all. The subwoofer size is 4 inches. By the way, although the soundbar is wireless, the subwoofer connects to it via a wired connection. There is a sub-out port on the back of the soundbar. Talking about the soundbar, I think it is the same size as the Solar B30 Pro soundbar we tested before. Its dimensions are 400 by 100 by 65 mm. The weight is 20 grams. However, it is not the same as the Solar B30 Pro, because it has more rounded design and it also equipped with 3 built-in speakers of 2 inches each. If we take another look at the rear panel, we see here an optical port, USB, aux, sub-out, and a DC in. There are also touch-sensitive control buttons on the top. However, I think you will most likely be using the remote control, especially if the soundbar will be next to the TV. The remote control has a lot of buttons. It makes sense, because that's the main way to control the soundbar. You can switch audio source, adjust display brightness, switch to optical, aux, Bluetooth or USB source, reset equalizer, USB repeat, adjust bass, mid-range or treble levels. Select movie, music, voice, sport, game or night modes. Adjust surround sound level and adjust prompt tone level. Yes, there are a lot more functions here than the Solar B30 Pro soundbar. The Ultimea Aura A30 soundbar also comes with 2 surround speakers. They are pretty compact, but I like that they are made in the same design as the soundbar. The dimensions of the speaker are 88 by 82 by 81 mm. The weight is 310 grams. If the soundbar has 3 built-in 2-inch drivers, then the speaker has 1 built-in 2-inch driver. Okay, before we move on to connecting, installing and checking the sound quality, let's have a look at the mobile app. The app is called Ultimea, and it is available for Android and iOS devices. Here we can see the Aura A30 connected. We can change the volume level, power on/off, select audio source, and equalizer settings. The same sound modes are available here as on the remote control: movie, music, voice, sports, game and night. After that, you can customize the sound and choose the style of the music you listen to. You know, I don't really see the point of this app, because you can do the same and even more with a remote control. Let me tell you a little bit about installing the Ultimea Aura A30 soundbar. First, we need to look at this picture. The subwoofer is to the left of the TV. The soundbar is in the front of the TV, and the two speakers are on each side of the sofa. I have very similar living room layout, so I completely replicated the placement of the audio system. As for connection, first we need to connect the power cable to the soundbar. Then you can use the optical port, aux or Bluetooth to connect the soundbar to a TV or other device. The next step is to connect the subwoofer. It doesn't require a separate power supply, so just connect its built-in wire to the sub-out port on the soundbar. Finally, let's connect two surround speakers. First, we need to connect the left and right speakers with the cable. The right speaker has a DC in port, so just connect it to the power supply. When the soundbar is powered on, the surround speakers will automatically pair with it. Done. Now we can check the sound quality. Since we have already connected the soundbar to the TV, let's compare their audio.
Residents plunged into lockdown following a violent armed robbery. Gripsky has the details.
We're on Worley Drive in Gilston, where two men and a teenage boy...
Coast earlier today, residents plunged into lockdown following a violent armed robbery. Gripsky has the details.
We're on Worley Drive in Gilston, where two men and a teenage boy have just...
Garbage man Garrison. Getting ready here in 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
Welcome to the overworld.
Wait, who are you again?
Garbage man Garrison. Getting ready here in 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
Welcome to the overworld.
All the incredible yet musky animals we share our planet with. What's up with them? From pointless ants to long-necked horse monsters. From repugnant...
Wondered how many buildings were knocked down to make way for them, and who granted the planning permission. Wondered about all the incredible yet musky...
You can also quickly connect your smartphone to the soundbar by simply switching it to Bluetooth mode. This is very convenient if you want to listen to music from your phone. So I think the Ultimea Aura A30 is a great investment of $109 for quality sound. It is designed more for living room and TV, because it allows you to create an immersive effect. However, you can also quickly connect a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. By the way, if you have a projector, you can also connect it to the soundbar. If you don't have one, you can check out our videos on some Ultimea projectors. Thank you for watching. See you soon!